I know how much you love to train the glutes and the quad muscles. Everyone is doing that now, right? But you need to stop unless you start strengthening the opposite muscles. We are impacting the health of our bones, ligaments, and so forth. We not only want to avoid injuries, but we also want to look even. So I'll be sharing a set of exercises that are going to help you strengthen the hammies and the thigh muscles simultaneously so you can get them all done in one day, one workout. Then I'm gonna come home and share a post-workout recipe that is going to be great for adding more muscle to those areas.
I'm going to get my lips done for the first time.
I would love for you to come with me. And tomorrow we are going to be going to downtown LA to walk for a reason. And that is to abolish slavery with each step. I'll be leaving more information about this organization in the comments below. So without further ado, let's get into this.
I'll be linking this workout in the description below with more details so you can do it along with me.
I got my own training in. My PT kicked my butt today. By the way, everyone should have a trainer, okay? And I also got your training in. Now it's time for me to get my lips done. My first time ever. I'm a little bit nervous about it. I hope it's not painful. Enough pain for me today. See you there.
You gotta be crazy, hungry, crisis to get to that next version of you.
Pain really, it shouldn't even be a concern. I would say from 1 to 10, a 3, 2, 3. More than anything, just a thing that comes, you know, you just close your eyes. But I'm super happy. Mwah. Look at that. It smells delicious. I can smell the onions and the mushroom. Oh my gosh. And I made myself an Italian salad. I love Italian food because my great-grandparent comes from there. And I also like to get lots of legumes in my diet. They're full of fiber and protein and seeds. These are, I think I forgot the name of them, but I get a ton of, not a ton, but at least a handful of nuts, all kinds of nuts. They're great. So these are my form of fat. I don't get avocados or anything like that. I rather eat my nuts. I like crunchy food. Gotta have something to drink, some tea with little sugar. Can't wait to eat these. I'm excited for tomorrow. We're gonna go support this organization that helps people come out of sex trafficking or human trafficking. I don't know how many miles, and it's gonna be raining, so it's gonna be interesting. Rain or shine, I'll be there. My daughters hopefully will be there. See you mañana, tomorrow. Bye. I said rain or shine. Here we are. Here we go. See you soon, baby. Hey, I'm back from the walk. It was quite special, touching. I was just moved, really. I as we were walking quietly, passing out flyers, holding up our posters, I can't stop but imagining the hundreds of children, women, men that are being exploited, used, controlled by others. How could this be happening right now? Listen to the facts. Human trafficking generates an estimated US $150.2 billion per year. There are millions enslaved worldwide. These are just some of the facts. Maybe one day we can detect someone that is being trafficked and we can help them come out of there. Maybe we can support an organization like this one. I'll be leaving the information, the links below, where we ourselves could start an organization to help others come out of human or sex traffic industry. Really feel your presence as I go around recording my videos. I hope you liked the video. If you did, consider liking it, subscribing. Please take good care and continue doing what you know you should be doing to continue improving, progressing to what you want in your life. Have a great rest of it.